Hi guys, welcome back guys. For those of you who are new here, welcome to the family guys. Welcome over to this channel. I know you're gonna love it here, so if you haven't hit that subscribe button as yet, please do. It's free. Hit that red button guys. And for all my subbies who have been sticking around here for so long, guys, much love over here. I thank you. Alright guys, with that being said, hope everybody's doing fine and keeping safe and putting God first. Remember that without him we can't make it. Without him we are nothing. So him first, everything else secondary. Alright, okay guys, so today I'm home. Not too long get home, matter of fact, because one of my clients couldn't make it. I only booked her for today, but apparently she didn't get to make it, so I just decided to run errands that I had for in the evening time. After I would have completed her, I did them, and then I come home. So right now it is 25 past 10, and I come home and I say, no, let me film a little bit guys. Yesterday, however guys, I went into SAS, and guys, SAS have things on sale. Those spice jars guys, they're 24 in a pack. SAS got them for $25 guys, but it's the small ones guys with it had the wooden top on top of them, and it is actually the brown wooden top, and they are glass guys, and also they have the black tops as well, so it's brown and black, and they're for $25. I wanted to film yesterday guys, but I was in a crunch time, couldn't do that, and inside there was real packed. So you know, a lot of people wouldn't like to be, you know, to have a camera in their face and so forth, so I couldn't film. But guys, SAS have a good set of deals right now. You wanna need to get into there guys. Know that it's Christmas coming up guys. You don't know, SAS really does do thing. All right guys, so I went into there yesterday guys because I wanted an umbrella, and then I end up walking around a little bit and doing little stuff, and then I checked the time I had to get out today. So I ended up went in to get the umbrella guys, and I came out with not just the umbrella I came out with 3 other items guys. Now guys, she have I don't know, you could see guys in that corner, I already put it over there, that blue waist drainer. Yes, I decided to buy back a waist drainer guys, but I decided to buy a smaller one. Alright guys, so as I was saying, right, so if you only have a small family, that will work for you guys. But with me, with the kids frequenting washing and so forth, my kids don't really, you know, like when you don't wash, you drain the water properly, then you turn it down, let the waste finish dry. They don't to do is get me a waste drainer, but a small one, because if I get back a big one, another thing that I was running from, my kids tends to do not turn down, like to turn down waste. Yep, they don't like to turn down waste. They would come in the kitchen and see the dry waste, and they would pack wet waste on the dry waste, and then that would irritate me, and then all of that is. So that's one other reason why I did opt not to have a waste drainer anymore. And also I hate washing a waste drainer guys. I hate it with a passion. So that's why too I opt being to not have one anymore, and I throw the old one that I had. So what I did, I get a small one this time, and I will just wash it weekly, keep it clean, and get it over with. And I make sure get a small one, because in my house there's no turning down wet waste over dry waste. So when it because it's small, limit waste, so they have to turn them down. So yeah guys, so that is that right there. Okay, so I got that, and that was only for $8 guys. Normally it would be like 10 and so forth. That was for $80, and she have the bigger one guys with cream colors and all of that guys, and that was only for $20. I was feeling it, but I was like and the only thing is guys, in this small one for $8, she only have blue and green. That was the only color guys. I'm planning to actually paint over the kitchen for next month, December guys. So I just opted to get the blue, because I mean, it's still ain't gonna match back with the color that I really wanted, but I prefer that than the bright green anyway. And another thing that she have is these pans guys. Look at this pan guys. It's heavy, guys. Underneath the bottom, it is not too thin, not too thick, just the right size and everything. She have bigger ones for $15 guys, Honestly, the bigger ones is the same length as this one, but it's just wider, and those are for $15, guys. I always wanted pan for when I baking my bread, guys, because I always be using my Pyrex dish to do those. So therefore, when I see she got these, guys, I opt to get me 2 of these, because your girl always baking she bread and thing. So yeah, and look at the price, guys. $10. $10, guys. You can't beat that. If you go anywhere else to get these type of pans, guys, it's more money. She actually have the other ones, guys, that the bottom is more thinner and they are lighter, and they are actually bigger than these, that will actually hold like 3 big bread or 4. But those are actually for $8. But guys, these days it's better to buy quality than going and buy them $8 pan, because by the time you wash them, baking them, wash them, and they tend to get ugly and scratch up inside, and I don't know, it's just too thin for me, and I just prefer to buy good pans. And this is just $2 more than that, guys. I mean, it's smaller, but it's just $2 more, so I prefer to get these. So guys, you can go and get yourself some as well. She have them in all different sizes. She have them in the also the sizes that you bake cake into, and also the loaf pans. She got them in those sizes. So guys, I got me 2 of them, and we are going to actually use them right now. Yeah, so come along, let me show you again, guys. I already have a video on my channel showing how I do bread way back when I didn't know start out YouTube, and that is more detailed. So if you want a more detailed video, go and check that out, guys. So today we're gonna bake bread, guys, and we're gonna use our fancy pans to bake those. All right, so I'm gonna wash these, turn them down, and then we're gonna come and do the process of kneading the flour. Alright, guys, so I had to do a voiceover on this segment of the video. Here I'm showing you what I'm actually going to be putting into my bread. I'm using some margarine. I like to use the yellow one, as you can see there. You don't have to, you can use the white one if you prefer. The lard is optional, you don't have to put that inside of it, guys. And in that container I'm using yeast, and here I have baking powder. Then you're going to need some salt and some sugar, and of course your flour. Guys, if you do not want the heavy fat such as lard or butter in your bread, you can opt to use oil. I would recommend using coconut oil or olive oil for your bread. And also, guys, the baking powder is another optional ingredient. I like to put baking powder only in cases where I actually want to knead the flour and get it into the oven. If you're gonna left the dough to rise, if you have time to left it to rise, then I won't add the baking powder, guys. Okay, I will just add the yeast. But I am on a time crunch here, and I just wanted to get the bread into the oven, so therefore I'll use the baking powder to help leaven out the bread as it bake quicker. Okay, so that's why that is there. So guys, you know I don't measure, and I hope you do enjoy this video. It's a bit more talking because I'm trying to demonstrate it a little bit better and explain a little bit better. So I hope you enjoy this, and if you like content like this, please subscribe and please comment down below, guys. Love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand within my referee. There's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all. Hold these doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, oh, or nothing at all.
Alright guys, so here the breads are, and as you can see they are a little puffy. So into the oven they go in at 350 guys. See you when they are finished. Alright guys, so here are the bread fresh out the oven. Here are the bread fresh out the oven.
The next day.
Alright guys, so this is the next day now at the salon guys, and I'm stuffing this bread with some bacon and sausage. So I'm just showing you the outcome of the bread guys after the next day. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this content. Hope you try out making your own bread guys. It really saves you money, and you know what's in that bread, and you will enjoy it much more. Alright, so see you in the next one.